Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use offline Google Maps. So make sure to stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips for navigating without an internet connection. So let's get started. First, open the Google Map on your mobile device and make sure that you're signed in to your Google account. And you will need to be online initially to download the maps for offline use. Now you can search for the area you want to download offline by typing the name of the city or the specific place into the search bar, which is at the top of the screen. And once the location appears on the map, tap on the name or the address at the bottom of the screen to open the locations info panel. In this info panel, scroll to the left and you can see here this option of more. Click on it. And here you can see we have this option of download offline map. Click on it. And now a new screen will appear with the map of the area and an adjustable box. Now this box represents the area that will be downloaded. So you can zoom in or zoom out to adjust the size of the area you want to download. Here Google Maps will show you the approximate storage space the download will take on your device. So make sure that you have enough storage space available. And once you have selected the area you want to download, simply tap on this download button and the download will start and you can track its progress in the notification bar. After the download is complete, you can access your offline maps by tapping on the profile icon, which is in the top right corner. Here you can see we have this offline maps option. Click on it. And here in the offline maps section, you will see a list of the areas you have downloaded. Tap on any of them to view the offline map. While using the offline maps, you can search for locations within the downloaded area. You can get driving directions and use navigation just like you would with online maps. However, some features like real-time traffic updates and alternate routes would not be available offline. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.